Calibro's topmost values are knowledge and innovation. We believe here in making the technology simple by being lean in ideation. We are committed to innovate at least 20 ideas every year in our design and software to build features that will remove top pains of our customers. The idea generation is a function of practice. We at Calibro conduct trainings to make people think and innovate the most crazy way. The ideas generated are extraordinary that give unbelievable value to our customers. Customers have challenges of zero rejection skipping to their customers, and that too at a very low inspection cost per piece. This can only be achieved through automated inspection systems designed to inspect variety of parameters and handling variety of components on the same inspection equipment. We cannot dream of such inspection system in absence of technology. The value-aligned team is the most important factor in marching towards the vision. Everyone in the team must know why they are doing what they are doing. Once we know the direction, the journey becomes easy. The attitude to challenge the current situation leads you to invent new ways to combat the situation more effectively. Our promise to customers is zero rejection skipping to their customers, because when they inspect on our equipments, I am pretty sure, my team is pretty sure that no rejection will skip through our inspection systems, and that's the biggest commitment that we have. Inventing new ways then becomes the culture.
My name is Piyush Sunil Joshi. I am an MBA and I am working here as an in-charge commercial and HR. I joined this company in June 2016. Being a fresher, I was really concerned about how the working in this company would be. I am happy that my experience at Calibro Measure has been phenomenal. At Calibro Measure, I look after the post-sales activities. This avoids the miscommunication with the customers. I am responsible for the procurement of best material in the market to avoid any breakdown at customer's end.
Hi, I am Kunal Shukla. I am postgraduate engineer and I work at Calibro Measure as a programming head. I joined Calibro Measure in January 2018 as junior programming engineer. Before joining Calibro Measure, I was working as a maintenance engineer. But I always wanted to be a programmer. Calibro Measure provided me with this opportunity. As a programmer, I and my team developed a software which is highly accurate. The software is so user friendly that even an untrained operator can use it perfectly.